You need your color packet. You need red, blue, and yellow pencils. That would be light blue, not dark blue, and a pencil. We are going to turn to page 3 in your packet. The last time we were together, we talked about the color wheel. Hurry up, please. Time for that's over. You're going to need your regular pencil first. Have you guys, do you know what keys are? Like the map in social studies has a key to it? Yeah. Okay, there's a key to this. The biggest squares are primary colors. The medium-sized squares are secondary colors. The smallest squares are tertiary colors. So we know that the primary colors are red, and I want you to put a capital R, blue, and yellow. And I think I'm going to put them down here too. Red, blue, and yellow. Now when I mix red and blue together, what do I get? Violet. So I'm going to put violet right here in the middle of red and blue in the medium square. Blue and yellow mixed together makes green. And red and yellow mixed together makes orange. And those should be on the medium squares in between the two colors that make them. You can put your primary colors in any order, but you cannot put your secondary and tertiary colors in any order. It has to be between the colors that make them. Red plus violet is red, violet. These are your tertiary colors, and they're always two words. And the primary color always comes first. Blue plus violet is blue, violet. Blue plus green is blue, green. Green plus yellow is yellow, green, because you always say the primary color first. Yellow plus orange is yellow, orange. Orange plus red is red, orange, because you always say the primary color first. So those are all my colors in order. Now, we're going to turn them into math problems. Red, blue, and yellow are your primary colors. There's no colors that you can mix to make those colors. But the secondary colors, violet is made by red plus blue, right? We're going to write it like a math problem. Orange is made from red and yellow, so it would be red plus yellow. And green is blue plus yellow. Now the tertiary colors, red, violet, is violet with more red in it. Okay, so I'm going to do red plus blue plus red. It's going to have 2 parts red to 1 part blue to make it more red. Blue violet is going to have more blue in it. Blue plus red plus blue. 2 parts blue to 1 part red. Do you see what I'm doing? Blue-green has more blue in it. Blue plus yellow plus blue. Yellow green has more yellow in it. Yellow plus blue plus yellow. Yellow orange has more yellow in it. Yellow plus red plus yellow. Red orange has more red in it. Red plus yellow plus red. So I want you to check and make sure your math problems are correct. And secondary colors down here are orange, green, and violet. Tertiary colors, red, violet, blue, violet, blue, green, yellow, green, yellow, orange, bless you, red, orange. There's 3 primaries, bless you, 3 secondaries, and 6 tertiaries for a total of 12 colors on the color wheel. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to color each of the primary colors in, and you're going to do it lightly, and you're going to do it the same way. Like I started vertically right here, so I'm going to do the whole box vertically. Do you see what I mean? A light coat of red for where red is. A light coat of blue for where blue is. And a light coat of yellow for where yellow is. Do it though so that you can see the yellow. Don't do it so light that it looks white. We need to be able to see that it looks yellow. And I'll wait a minute for you to catch up. When you're finished, if you would look up, then I'll know you're done. Does that make sense? We're just doing red, blue, and yellow right now. And remember, we're coloring lightly. Don't push too hard. Now for those of you who are ready, for your secondaries, it says red plus blue. So I'm going to put a light coat of red, and then I'm going to put a light coat of blue on top. For green, a light coat of blue, and then put a light coat of yellow on top. The yellow you may have to push a little bit harder to make it show up. And the orange is red plus yellow. I'm going to put yellow down first, and then I'm going to put a layer of red on top. Usually it works out better if you put the lighter color at the bottom. Do you see what we're doing here? For tertiary colors, if you look, I made the math problem like a sandwich. Two of the same color is on the front and the end, with one color in the middle. For instance, red plus yellow plus red. So I'm going to put a layer of red first, and then a layer of yellow sandwiched in, and then another layer of red. For yellow orange, it's going to be yellow first and red in the middle, and then yellow on top. I know some of you are behind, so I'm going to stop in a minute and let you catch up. Is there anybody who doesn't understand what we're doing? You need to do it in order. Yellow first, blue next, and yellow on top. Blue-green starts with blue, has yellow in the middle, and blue on top. Violet has blue-violet, has blue at the bottom, red in the middle, and blue on the top. Red-violet starts with red and has blue in the middle and red on top. I'm going to give you a few minutes to finish. Okay, there's just a couple of you that aren't finished. We'll do one more minute. Okay, now I want you to turn to page 5. Page 5. It's warm colors and cool colors. And with your pencil, if you see the colors are listed here, yellow would be yellow here and yellow here. Yellow orange would be next. Orange, and then red orange. So they go all the way across. Okay? So I'm going to start with yellow. And I can push a little harder this time. And I'm going to color these top ones in with yellow. Then it says yellow orange. And oh no, I can't remember how to do yellow orange. So what would a smart person do? Hayden? I would go back and I'd find yellow orange, and it's yellow plus red plus yellow. So that's what I'm going to do. Yellow, bless you, plus red, and then another yellow layer on top. And you may have to push a little harder with your yellow to get the top layer down. Okay, the next one is orange. And if you don't know how to make orange, you can go back and look at orange, and it's red plus yellow. I'm going to put my yellow down first since I already have it in my hand. And then one layer of red because this is just regular orange. Red orange. Oh no, I don't remember how. Here's red orange. Red plus yellow plus red. I'm going to do red first. Then I'm going to sandwich yellow in between. And then red on top again. And you may have to push a little harder for the very top one, since it's the third layer. Red, that's easy. Just one layer of red. And red violet, here's red violet. Red plus blue plus red. So I'm going to put red on here first. And then blue. And then red. And you may need to push a little harder for red on the top. And there's my warm colors. Yellow green, I'm going to look back. Yellow green is yellow plus blue plus yellow. So here's yellow plus blue plus yellow. Green is just one layer of yellow and one layer of blue. Blue green, I'm going to look back. Blue green is blue plus yellow plus blue. Blue plus yellow plus blue. Then the next two are just blue, so that makes it easy. Blue violet, I need to look back. Blue violet is blue plus red plus blue. So there's blue plus red plus blue. And violet is a layer of blue and a layer of red. So there's my warm colors and my cool colors. And I know some of you aren't finished, so I'll give you a few minutes.